Hello guys, what up guys? This is Joni here, and today I'm back with another video. I'm so sorry I haven't been posting for a while. It's because I've been in school, I've been playing with my friends, you guys basically. I was just playing with my friends. It's been fun because we had the winter break and stuff. Also, go check out my brother Jack's YouTube channel. Me and him made a live stream together on Jailbreak on his channel. Go check it out. It's me, Jack. But today we are. Oh my gosh. We're gonna be going in my room B. We're just watching the Tennessee Titans versus Kansas City Chiefs football game, NFL. First game this is the first game for the playoffs and for 2018. Chiefs are winning 21-3. But we're gonna go in my room, probably pass my football, under my bed. Yeah, let's go in my room. But the most important of all times, my best buddy, LeSean McCoy.
Movie?
So yeah, we're probably gonna do some passes, go into my bed right now.
Do passes underneath your bed.
No, like when we get out under the bed.
Oh, I don't know. I thought we were just gonna do that in the video. We always do things. Oh, guys, remember? I'm talking to you guys. Remember when we were in here? And, oh no! Why did you post the video? You did it private.
What video?
The video when we jumped off onto the thing.
I didn't post that.
I know it's on private.
No, it isn't. I never posted it.
Because I looked at all of your private videos and that was one of them.
Okay, let's go.
They're coming under. I'm going on this side. Oh, we could kind of see it's gonna be really dark for you guys, but we could lighten it up in the video. Yeah, like that. Come all the way under, John.
Hello.
Hi, on the other side.
Under my bed's just black.
Oh,
You can't.
I need to turn my light.
Oh my legs! Ow! Oh, I feel something. What is that? No, that's just the light plugging. Stop.
Show them me.
I don't know if they could see you.
Oh yeah, you can. I'm all. Wait, do it. Wait.
There he is.
I'm actually all the way to the other side. Yes, I'm pretty far in considering that's my hand. Oh, it fell. Yeah. I'm going all the way in the back.
This YouTube channel, we just do fun stuff. Maybe sometimes on my live streams, maybe we could do some gaming. Like my last live stream that I probably did was like jumping into stuffed animals.
Yeah, we really just like doing random things on here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.
I
need to give you a shout out though.
I told them to go check out your video that we did the live stream.
The only issue though for your channel is that you don't post you don't post on a schedule. So that's why a bunch of people might leave or No. Ooh, what is? Oh, it was probably from your old bed. Louis probably ate it from when he was under here.
You're waking me the camera.
Here, give me the fidget spinner too. Show me.
Wait, if you see. Ow! What are you doing? Ow!
Show me.
Stop it!
Show me.
They can't see me. You're all the way back there.
Yeah.
No. Wait, I'm gonna try to go.
I'm all the way in the back. Now I'm gonna go in the front.
Okay, come on. This
actually not that
is
hard.
uncomfortable.
Really?
Yeah, it's like my stomach.
Wait, I'm gonna turn around. Give me the phone. I'm gonna put it on all the way on the other side. I just need to turn. It's gonna be hard because I'm really good. Okay, that's just mean saying that.
I'm not checking that. Oh my god, this is my. Oh, Jack!
All you need to do is just give me the phone. to see me. Oh, yeah. Actually, you can see him coming. Oh, oops.
Hey, let me meet you.
Oh, it's so hard to see me. It's because all this is noise, so there isn't any
What is
light
this?
on the side.
Oh.
That's a little better right now. Okay, whatever. I don't know how long we're going to make this. We don't want to make it that long, but here, I'm going to give it to you.
I can't reach. Hey, let me see with you. Here, what's this stuff? Sock. Football cards. From the Saints. Who's this from?
What's your favorite football team?
Yeah. In the comments, tell me what your favorite football team is. I have two: Philadelphia Eagles and Buffalo Bills. Buffalo Bills finally made it to the playoffs.
Yeah, and Panthers did too, and that's my team.
Yeah, I think we should get out.
Uh-oh. No, I hope that no one on here is from my channel, because I asked them a question in my vlog.
So yeah, we're probably gonna end this video.
What? I ended my vlog. Yeah, I did.
So we should get out in this and say it, or should we just stay in here?
Yeah, we should get out. Ow, my foot's stuck.
Here, wait, we're gonna get out. Oh, I just hit my funny bone. That did not feel good. And then maybe tomorrow in the morning,
No, the sword's...
me and Jack. Oh crap! Should I get it? I don't want to get it. Maybe tomorrow in the morning, maybe or later tomorrow. We're probably gonna do a live stream, maybe on Jailbreak.
Or maybe even tonight.
Maybe even tonight.
We just need this video to be uploaded.
Yeah, we just need this video to be uploaded tonight. So yeah, probably go check. So go check. Probably my live stream. Don't know what time. Like we're gonna. Oh, bro, you hit my bills.
Look where the football landed.
Wow.
Show him.
The football landed right here and it banged this thing down.
Yeah. Oh, and there's like two glass things right
Oh
here.
yeah.
3 glass things.
Okay, 4.
4.
But
5.
so go check our live stream probably tonight if we do it. It might be uploaded tomorrow. Don't know. Oh, Jack. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Hope you enjoyed.